read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Our today's lesson is about uppercase and lowercase letter x, expected learning outcomes. The student is expected to identify the uppercase and lowercase letter x, learn the words that start with the sound x, x, x. Learn the formation of the letter x, uppercase and lowercase. Before starting to teach to the students, show different flashcards, tell them it has many sounds like X, Xbox, X-ray, xylophone, box, ox, fox. X, x, x. After telling them about different sounds, now we will teach the formation of letter X. It's very easier. Make like this. X, 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 x. Start from the first line, make a slant line, make a cut in slant line again. It will make capital X. Start from second line, make a slant line, make another slant line. It will make small x. The letter name is X. The sound of X is X and X, X, X. Now, X factor, share a talent that makes you special. Every person has a diamond inside himself and a special talent. Okay? Teacher should polish that, and it's easier for a student to perform in front of others. Okay? After that, story time. At the Christmas party of the hospital, a boy played a tune on the xylophone. He played under the Christmas tree. Dr. Ali used the Xbox to play the game. He asked his friend to share his X-rays with others. And I hope so you will teach same like this. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.